Hi, my name is Lexi Petz, and I am the marketing intern for the Russell program this year under campus recreation activities.
Hi, my name is Abigail Baggett, and I work in the Career Professional Development Office as the Russell Media Intern for this year.
I'm Natalie Heron.
And I'm Nolan Nets, and we're both Russell Program interns for the athletic department.
Hi, my name is Peter Lipscomb, and I'm a Russell intern in the PC Athletic Department. I worked on the Blue Hose Athletic Chronicles website, a website dedicated to display Presbyterian College's rich athletic history and achievements.
Hey, my name is Isis Trapp.
And I'm Gwen Kaiser.
And we're the Russell Paid Interns for the Marketing and Communications Office here at PC.
Hi, I'm Valentina de Souza. I'm a senior in the women's tennis team, and I'm the marketing intern for the men's soccer team.